Right, okay, so we're gonna go ahead and load the sample. Go to documents, go to imports. It was an MP3. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to now use Maschine. Not have to use, I should have used. Why did I use Beatmaker 3? I might scrap the first one because Beatmaker 3 was doing my head in.
2 hours later.
Found a drum loop from one of the many expansions I have, chopped up the sample perfectly. And it sounds like this. And now we're gonna go ahead and record this sequence. It kind of starts like this. Let me just solo the drums so you can hear. Now let's move on to the shaker. Nothing too exciting about the shaker. It's just a shaker doing this thing. And it's just a loop. If you can see here, just got it looped using the audio engine in Maschine. Nothing too fancy. Like I said, it just adds to the flavor of the beat. Now let's go on to the actual sample. So we're going to right click in the sample window and go to Find in Finder. And on a Mac, just hit spacebar and this will play back your audio file. These are my chops. So those are the chops, and then if you go to the sequencer, play back the loop here, make sure it's looped. Nothing too fancy. I've put a filter on here as well. Some filters on there somewhere along there. Didn't want to get too much going on, so I just basically put a filter on top so it would get away with that. It would not get away, but it would get away. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and piece this all together. It's gonna be intro, verse. We've got another instrument in there, which is another loop I found from somewhere, I can't remember. And then it's gonna be outro. Okay, let's take it from the top. Hey! Ah, this is so nice. And that is it, people. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.